Hola a todos, ¿qué tal? Soy Erika, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hoy vamos a aprender de la palabra hay en español. Es una palabra bien importante, pero a la misma vez sencillo para usar. Y bueno, vamos a aprender desde hoy. Si eres un iniciante del español, espero que este video es muy importante para ustedes. Pero bueno, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica. I am a professional second languages teacher who teaches Spanish for free here on YouTube. So if you're wanting to learn Spanish, I have a bunch of lessons available for you on my channel. And if you like this video, please subscribe and let me know what other videos you would like to see in the future. Pero bueno, espero que todos estén listos para aprender hoy porque vamos a empezar con la lección. Ok, vamos a empezar con el verbo haber. Ok, entonces el verbo haber puede ser utilizado en dos maneras, como un auxiliar y la manera existencial. Hoy vamos a hablar de la manera existencial. Pero bueno, el manera auxiliar, solo para que entiendas un poco, es usado como un auxiliar con tiempos compuestos con el participio de un verbo. Okay, this is a little complicated in Spanish. Basically, this verb haber, has two ways to use it as an auxiliary verb, which is basically you use it with different tenses of Spanish. It's another like conjugation method. This, I'll make another video about it. We don't need to worry about this today. It's more for that advanced intermediate level of Spanish. Pero hoy we're going to talk about the existential way to use this verb haber. ¿Ok? ¿Y qué significa existencial? Básicamente, en inglés es there is or there are. So how we say there is or they are, that's the existential way to use this verb haber in Spanish. And what is that? It's the word I. So basically, let me explain more. Okay, I. Entonces, so it means there is or there are. So hay dos amigos, there are two friends. Entonces, en el presente hay solo una conjugación del verbo haber. So, in the present, there is only one conjugation of the verb haber, and that is hay. Okay? Y significa there is or there are. Okay? A unos ejemplos. Entonces, so hay más el número más el sustantivo. So hay, there is, plus the number, plus the noun. Hay una manzana. Hay un hombre sentada en mi silla. Hay un hombre, Hay dos perros en la casa. Hay $500 en su cartera. Okay, so and you can see in all of these we have I, which is there is, the number, and the object, the noun. So there is one apple. There is a guy sitting in my seat. There are two dogs in the house. There are $50 in his wallet. Okay, so I can mean either there is or there are. How do you know if it's there is or it's there are? You know by the rest of the sentence, by the noun, if it's plural, by the number that follows. Okay, but other than that, it's the same word. ¿Vale? Okay, no es tan difícil, es bastante sencillo. Ok, ahora vamos a hablar de hay que. Entonces, es una expresión idiomática. This is an idiomatic expression. Entonces, hay que, ¿ok? So, ¿qué significa? Es one must, it is necessary to, ¿ok? Hay un sentido más general. So, it's more of a general statement. If you want to make a general statement about something that people do or what one has to do, generally, you would use hay que, ¿ok? We're going to talk about the difference between tengo que and hay que in a minute. So, para usar hay que más el infinitivo. ¿Ok? El mismo como el tengo que en español, la misma gramática. Bueno, ok, el español no es difícil para aprender, pero hay que practicar mucho. Okay, so in this one you can see we have hay que plus practicar, which is the infinitive. And in this sentence, it's Spanish is not difficult to learn, but one must practice a lot. It's a general statement to all people. To learn Spanish, you need to practice. Okay, hay que cuidarse bien, so one must take care of themselves well. Hay que comer las verduras. One must, or it is necessary to, eat your vegetables para mantener la salud or algo así. Okay, so you can see these are all general statements, and for these we will use hay que. All right, so let's go into tengo que. If you don't know what tengo que means, I also have a video on that. Bueno, so tener que o hay que. So tener que significa to have to. Es más específico. Es para tú, él, ella, yo, ustedes. So I'm going to be speaking specifically about one person or a group of people, not general. Okay, that's when I use tener que. On the other hand, if I'm speaking in general about people, what one must do or what is necessary to do in general, I will use hay que. Okay, so let's look at this here. So Jose tiene que lavar los platos en el fregadero. So Jose himself has to wash the dishes or the plates in the sink. Okay, so this is a specific sentence to Jose. It's not talking about people in general, it's talking about Jose. This one here, hay que mantener la cocina limpia y lavar los platos. So, in order to keep the kitchen clean, one must keep the kitchen clean and wash the dishes. Okay, it's a general statement, not specific to one person. So that's why we use hay que for a general statement that applies to everyone. Okay. Bueno, entonces vamos a la práctica ahora. Ok, entonces vamos a hacer dos ejercicios. El primero es para traducir. So, quiero que ustedes traducen esas frases en el español. So, there are 3 cats on the bed. Okay. Is there milk in the fridge? Okay, this one tienes que escoger entre tener que o hay que. So, el perro tiene hambre. María, darle a comer. El segundo, hace mucho frío en Argentina. Llevar el abrigo. Okay. So, pausa el video, hace todo esto y vamos a hacer las respuestas ahora. Ok, vamos a seguir con las respuestas. Ok. Entonces, el primero, hay 3 gatos en la cama. There are 3 cats in the bed. On the bed. Hay leche en el refrigerador. So, is there milk in the fridge? Okay, this one, el perro tiene hambre. María tiene que darle a comer. So, this one we know it's tener que because it was specific to Maria. People in general, they should give their dog food, but they're not going to give their dog this specific dog food, right? Because it's talking about one dog, the dog. Okay, so this whole sentence, there's a lot of specifics, so that's why it's going to be tener que. El segundo, hace mucho frío en Argentina, hay que llevar el abrigo. So in Argentina, it's very cold. One must take a jacket. It's necessary to take a jacket. Okay, pero bueno, esta fue la lección. Espero que lo han gustado y que fue fácil para entender. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe, or let me know what I can do better next time. As well, if you have any recommendations on future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Y espero que verles muy pronto. Hasta luego. Chao.